Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt like your Asana projects are getting a little messy and hard to track, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to edit, rename, and manage tags in Asana so your workspace stays clean, organized, and easy to navigate. Stick around until the end because I'll also share some pro tips on using colors and tag management that can save you serious time. First, log into your Asana account and head to your homepage. From there, choose the specific project where you want to edit tags. Inside the project, open up any task. On the right-hand side, you'll see the task details. Look for the tags section. This is where all the magic happens. Now let's go over your options. Rename a tag, click on the tag, open the actions, drop down and select Rename Tag. Type in your new tag name and hit Save. This is perfect for updating outdated labels or making them clearer for your team. Set a color. Want to make your tags stand out? Choose Set Color from the drop-down and pick from Asana's palette. Color coding is a game changer. It helps you instantly spot priorities, categories, or task types without even reading the text. Delete a tag. If a tag is no longer useful, select Delete Tag. Just remember, this action is permanent. You'll get a confirmation prompt, but once it's gone, it's gone. So make sure you really don't need it anymore. Regularly review your tags to keep them relevant to your current projects. Use consistent naming conventions so your team stays aligned. Don't underestimate the power of color. Visual cues make project management much more intuitive. And remember, deleting tags is irreversible, so clean up carefully, and that's it. You now know exactly how to edit tags in Asana like a pro in 2025. A little bit of tag management goes a long way in keeping your projects organized and your team on the same page. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick, actionable guides just like this. And if you want me to cover more Asana tips, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.